We are finally ready to deploy our website using Netlify. If you don't already have a Netlify account, go ahead and create one. I already have one, so I'm not going to go over it again, but you can pause the video here and get yourself set up. Just a side note, at the time of recording, Netlify doesn't support PHP 8.1, so I had to download Composer packages to PHP 8.0. You might need to do the same. OK, from Netlify dashboard, click on Add New Site, import an existing project. Next, we need to choose our Git provider, which is GitHub, and select the correct repository. The branch will be main, the build command will be php please ssg generate, and the published directory will be storage app static. A note about the build command. If you are going to do anything else before you build the site, such as compile your CSS or JavaScript assets, do it before you execute the ssg generate command. So it might look something like this: npm install and npm run prod and php please ssg generate. In this case, however, we don't have to do that, so I'll keep the simple php please ssg generate command there. Click on Show Advanced, and we need to add app key with the value of the key you can find in your .env file. In a moment, we will also need to add the app URL value. This should be the real URL of the website, not the local host one, but we can always add it later. Let's deploy site now. As you can see, the site deploy is in progress. If we click on this little arrow, we will see the details of the deploy process. And our site is live. We can either click this preview button, or we can go back to Site Overview, and here we have a provisional URL Netlify gave us. The URL isn't great, but you can easily set up a custom domain should you wish to. Let's click on the URL, and here is our website. Everything is there as it should be. Next time you want to add content to your website, run the local version, add your new content, commit to GitHub, and Netlify will trigger the deploy automatically. Your new content will be online in no time. And as I mentioned earlier, we don't have access to the control panel, which may be a deal breaker in some cases. Just remember that if you ever want to use the control panel in the browser, not just locally, you will not be able to deploy your Statamic website as a static site. You will need to deploy it using a service such as DigitalOcean or Forge. And finally, let's see if our contact form works. I'm going to send a test email. And our success page works. And if you go back to Netlify, click on the Forms tab, we can see we have one active form, which is called Contact. If I click on here, we've got verified submissions, and here is our email. Fantastic! Everything is working just as it should.